Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. It is 4:38 and 38 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, biological chemicals. So let's hop to it here. Method to reveal undesired biological effects of chemicals. Date November 29, 2021. Source, Linköping University. How do pollutants and other chemicals that we are exposed to affect our health? Researchers have applied a method to identify the proteins in the body affected by chemicals. The method can be used to discover, at an early stage, whether a substance has biological effects in an organism. They are in the water we drink, the food we eat, and the environment around us. Pollutants. More than 100,000 chemicals are used in manufacturing, agriculture, industry, and consumer articles. Each day of our lives, we are in contact with chemicals that can be absorbed into our bodies, and some of them can have negative effects on our health. Furthermore, some substances become more harmful when combined with others than individually, a phenomenon known as the cocktail effect. One of the challenges in toxicology in recent decades has been to predict the effects of exposure to mixtures of many different chemicals. The levels of pollutants are continuously increasing, and it is extremely difficult to test the effects of all chemicals. It is particularly difficult to test mixtures of substances. Researchers believe that their approach can lead to more efficient use of time and money than traditional methods, which test the effects on the biological mechanism at a time. The chemicals interact with proteins in a fairly promiscuous manner, and researchers often find that several proteins are influenced by substances that are tested. Researchers see that the functions of proteins are affected by their interactions with chemicals, which is consistent with the effects of pollutants and harmful substances in the cell. The researchers have examined how the method can be used to identify the proteins from an organism that interact with pollutants and other chemicals, aiming to obtain proteins from all types of cells in an organism. In proteome, the researchers extracted proteins from zebrafish embryos. They mixed the proteome with one or several substances. The researchers have applied the method on 4 scenarios: an individual pollutant, a mixture of chemicals, a new bioactive substance, and undesired effects of a new drug. They tested, for example, the effects of a well-studied environmental toxin, TCDD, and identified several proteins affected by TCDD that were not known from previous studies. The results suggest that studying the complete proteome of an organism with this method will allow scientists to find more possible molecular interactions between chemicals and proteins. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.